Today I'm going to talk about what is the best volume to trade. I get this question all the time. Stick around. What's up? Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here answering your questions. So many people message me, what is the best volume to trade? Now, every stock, every setup is slightly different. You have to look at the catalyst, the float, the market environment, the time of day. All this stuff matters. But for me, I look at volume also. I don't want to trade a stock no matter how good the news is if the daily volume is only like 50,000 shares. That means that there's not a lot of activity. How do I say? If you want a stock to move, if you want to play a stock that is, volatile, you need a lot of activity. You need ideally some news, a catalyst, whether it's a press release or the stock is hitting a key level, or ideally a press release and a key level. It does no good if a company just has a good news or a good story. Every stock has, this amazing technology, this amazing product. If people don't believe it, if they're not interested in trading the stock, it's not going to move that much. You can hold on to a stock for weeks, months, maybe even years, waiting for anything to happen. And almost every single penny stock will disappoint you. Almost every single management will lie to you, and they'll say everything's amazing. But if the stock is not moving, it's not amazing. I want to trade stocks that are in play. So under 50,000 shares on the day traded, I don't care if it's a $5 stock or $2 stock, it's too illiquid. Liquidity is the word here. I want a liquid stock. So I want, ideally, a stock trading, 1 million, 2 million, maybe 3 or 5 million shares on the day. That way, if I buy or sell 5,000, 10,000 shares, there's plenty of liquidity. I'm just a small fraction. You don't want to be more than 1% of the volume. Because then, if the stock is moving around a lot and you have a big position, you might not be able to get in or out very easily. That's called slippage. So you might want to try to sell the stock at $5 a share, but because you have such a big position, let's say if you're like 20% of the daily volume, you might not get $5 a share. You might have to get out at $4.50 a share because you have such a big position. You selling brings the price down. So I want to trade liquid stocks, but I also don't want to trade overly liquid stocks. A lot of traders love these stocks that trade 40, 50, 100 million shares in a day. Those are like the biggest marijuana stocks right now, CBD stocks, they're hot. Before it was Bitcoin and crypto and blockchain. Before that, it was Ebola and police equipment and nanotech and biotech and medical, and mobile internet. There's been so many hot sectors. In the hottest stocks in the penny stock market, low price stocks trade 50, 100, 200 million shares in a day. That's too much for me because when it trades that much, it's a very choppy stock. It's up, it's down, it's all over the place. A lot of traders who just trade the volatility like that choppiness. I don't. I like clean charts. If you've seen my DVDs, I like crystal clear breakouts. I like crystal clear breakdowns. I like simple stuff. One of my haters actually wrote to me and he was like, Tim, I'm looking at all your DVDs. I'm looking at all these charts. They're such for like child's play. Like, let me know when you're a man and you're ready for some real charts. And I was like, I don't think I'll ever be a man then. Like, I prefer it easier. Like, this is not some Olympic diving competition where like you get a degree of difficulty on your dive. Like, and the South Korean judge says it's a 9.9. I can't dive. I don't even like putting my head underwater. I like simple stuff. And the simplest patterns and the simplest rules work the best for low price stocks. So I don't like truly choppy stocks. I don't like the most popular stocks. They gyrate too much. I can't manage my risk. I like a few million shares traded per day. That said, if I'm trading a stock at, let's say, 10 a.m. Eastern and the stock market has just been open for 30 minutes, it's very difficult for a stock to have 1 million shares traded in just 30 minutes. So some people are confused. They're like, Tim, in your DVDs, you say you like 1 million or 2 shares traded per day. Yes, but when the market is only open for a half hour, you have to kind of extrapolate what is it going to trade over the course of the day. In the first half hour, it might only trade 50,000 shares or 100 or 200,000 shares. By the day's end, it'll still trade 1 million or 2. But people are confused when I trade a stock with 100 or 200,000 shares near the market open. Near the market open, it doesn't matter if there's not a lot of volume because, again, you're looking at a small slice of time. Judge everything based on what you think the stock is going to to trade at the end of the day. Ideally, it's a few million shares. If it's only like 5,000 shares at the day end, there's no play. If there's 50 million shares traded at day's end, usually I'll stay away unless the catalyst is really great. I have a sweet spot that I've learned over the past 2 decades. You too will learn what volume you like. You might like stocks that trade 50 million shares. That's fine. For me, I found my sweet spot and I stick to it because it made me a fucking multimillionaire. Leave a comment just below this video. Let's see what you like. Let's see what you think about this video. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.